Hygiene. So let us see what the hygiene is. Hygiene is the practice of keeping yourself and your surroundings clean, especially in order to prevent illness or the spread of diseases. So one should really practice a good hygiene by keeping our surrounding very clean and especially ourselves. What is good hygiene? Washing the body often. If possible, everybody should have a shower or a bath every day. However, there may be times when this is not possible. For example, when people are out camping or there is shortage of water. So everyone knows how to keep our body clean. So during summer season, we will take uh, a bath 2 times at least. So that to keep our body clean. So sometimes it may not be possible. Sometimes we are in a camping, we are going out, and maybe there is a shortage of water. That's why. If this happens, a swim or a wash all over the body with a wet sponge or cloth will do. So when you don't get the water, you can have a sponge bath. Cleaning the teeth at least once a day. Brushing the teeth after each meal is the best way of making sure that gum disease or tooth decay are avoided. Whenever you eat sweet, it is important. It is compulsorily you have to clean our clean your teeth. It is very important to clean teeth after breakfast and immediately before going to bed. So whenever you eat sweet things and any meal, you have to clean your teeth. Washing the hair with soap or shampoo at least once a week. Washing hands with soap after going to the toilet. So these are the practices of good hygiene. Let us continue. Washing hands with soap before preparing and or eating food during normal daily activities such as working and playing. Disease causing germs may get onto the hands and under the nails. If the germs are not washed off before preparing food or eating, they may get onto the food. So before having our meals or before cooking our meals, one should check our nails if they are clean or no. Changing into clean clothes. Dirty clothes should be washed with laundry soap before wearing them again. So, whenever we are wet with our perspiration, so we should remove our dirty clothes and wash it, and we should always wear a cleaned one. Hanging clothes in the sun to dry, the sun's ray will kill some disease causing germs and parasites. So always our cloth should be dry under the hot sun so that we should not have any diseases, no germs will be there. Turning away from other people and covering the nose and mouth with a tissue or the hand when coughing or sneezing. If this is not done, droplets of liquid containing germs from the nose and mouth will be spread in the air and other people can breathe them in, or the droplets can get onto food. So whenever we are sneezing, whenever we are coughing, we have to keep our nose closed with a tissue paper or our handkerchief so that it should not spread to others. Importance of hygiene. Good personal hygiene is important for both health and social reasons. It entails keeping your hands, head, and body clean so as to stop the spread of germs and illness. Your personal hygiene benefits your own health and impacts the lives of those around you too. If you are healthy, then you can keep your family also healthy. So, keep your surroundings clean and also your body. The social benefits associated with personal habits must also be considered since it involves washing your body every day and caring for yourself. It reduces the chances of body odor and thus any chances of embarrassment at work or at school. So, if you are clean, you will be attracted by others, otherwise, no one will come to you, no one will come near to you. One personal benefit of good hygiene is having better health. Keeping your body clean helps prevent illness and infection from bacteria or viruses. Like in our example, the simple act of washing your hands regularly is an effective way to keep germs from spreading. Always, whenever before having our meal, you have to wash your hands so that with clean hands you take your meals so that no viruses, no bacteria will be infected to you. You will be free from the illness so that you can prevent the illness. What does a good personal hygiene routine look like? We are aware that one must have a daily personal hygiene routine and that is important. But what does it involve? We have compiled some of the steps in the write up below so that your family can follow them to keep themselves clean and free of pesky germs that could cause a future illness. So always be uh, uh, clean in your house so that you will not be having any diseases. Hand washing. The first place to start with your personal hygiene routine is your hands. We use our hands constantly during the day, touching many different surfaces, shaking hands with people, eating our meals, typing on the laptop, or using a common telephone at work, or even playing at school. Naturally, our hands are the biggest carriers of germs. So, for doing any work, you use your hands. So, it is very important to clean your hands first. So many times we are using our hand, we are touching some different surfaces, we are shaking hands with other people, we are eating our meals, we are using the same telephone, we are playing together, and naturally when all will touch others. So our hands are the biggest carriers of germs. So from our hands our germs may be carried to others. So, wash your hand properly. Dental care. Caring for your teeth and practicing good oral hygiene wards off gum disease, bad breath, tooth decay, and many infections. Remember to always make sure you and your family brushes their teeth twice a day after breakfast and before bed. So, floss the teeth daily. Store your toothbrush in a clean, dry place and replace it regularly. So, maximum 6 months you can use your brush. After 6 months, you have to change your brush. You have to um, care your teeth by cleaning the teeth at least twice in a day so that dental care can be done by you. Bathing. Do shower every day using warm water and soap. You could consider showering twice a day when the weather is warm. So when during summer, you should take 2 times at least in a day bath. So these are the good hygiene practices, um, and you just see it and try to follow. Thank you.